I got. Oh, cool. They put it in one of these little boxes, and also put it in one of these. Priority mail. Yep. Even though the box looks like it's bent. There we go. And here it is. Oh man. The box is damaged, but I don't care. And it is my Leatherface Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3 VHS tape. Yeah, the top doesn't have the thing. So yeah, it's kind of, the case is damaged. Let me make sure it's the movie. It is. It's the movie. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, the box is kind of run down, but I think it's because it could have been a rental at one point, or the case just got damaged over time because it's old. You know, it was released on VHS, I think in '91. I think it was. It came out in 1990, but I think the VHS release was in the mid '90s, mid '91, I think it was. So yeah. So he put the teeth in Terra. He sure does. It is my favorite one. This is my favorite sequel behind the original. So yeah. Until next time, I am the son of the maniac, and I just unboxed my Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3 VHS. Ooh, sorry, I'm just really happy. And it's from. It was released by Columbia Pictures. What the hell? On the back it says New Lines. So yeah, I mean, I'm happy to have one of these. I mean, all now I need to do is just get two. Just get 1 and 2 on VHS, and get 4 on VHS. Even though I hate 4, but you know, just to have it as the original set. So this is one of them. So yes, I'm very, very happy. Sorry, I do that when I get happy. Sorry again. Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3 VHS. Happy, definitely worth it in my opinion. Even though the case is, not that great shape, but the film, on the other hand, looks like it's in good shape. I just had to get a VCR next. Sorry. But I'm just so happy. I got Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3. Leatherface Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3. VHS. Till next time, I'm William L. Jackson Jr., aka Son of the Maniac, and this has been an unboxing video. Love you guys.